Greetings, guys. I want to show you how you can pump up your deposit with a valuable and smart tool with artificial intelligence. I want to make a turbo boost. I will be investing between 1 to 5,000 in today's deals. I will enter the trade clearly on the signals from the FixProfit robot, and at the end of the work I will summarize the results. Let's go. Currency pair Euro, Dollar, time frame 1 minute. Buying. This is the first forecast from FixProfit. In this case I need to click on the green button in Pocket option. By the way, the periodicity of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. This is convenient, because within longer timeframes you will be able to update the information directly while working. The bot gives detailed reports on 12 indicators. Yes, this is a top advisor, which collects indicator data in real time and gives them in a convenient format, immediately recommending in which direction you should open a deal. The bot is free, you can get it from the link in the description. In a month it will be available only for a fee, so hurry up, guys. And in order not to miss new useful content, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Put a like and write comments. Together with the free bot you will have access to VIP chat with predictions from me, and also a promo code for plus 100% to deposit. This is also a very cool bonus. For example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Or, for example, if you deposit $1,000, then on deposit you will have $2,000. Promo code works on the first deposit. Why crypto still matters, the smart trader's diversification weapon. Before we dive into crypto, decentralization, and the digital finance revolution, let's ground ourselves in the part that actually makes or breaks a trader. Money management. The quiet skill that builds big accounts. It doesn't matter how hot the market is or how confident you feel, if you're not managing your risk, you're playing with fire. There's one unshakable rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade. Here's how that looks. $100 deposit? Trade with $1. One win gets you 80 cents. $1,000? You trade with $10, winning $8. $10,000? That's $100 per trade, returning $80 on a win. Same structure, same system, bigger deposit equals bigger earnings. That's why I always recommend, fund your account as fully as you comfortably can. Not to chase wins, but to give your strategy more power. Because scaling your deposit lets you grow without ever needing to increase your risk. Now let's talk crypto, not the hype, but the utility. If you've been ignoring crypto lately because it's not pumping 1000% overnight, you're missing the point. Crypto isn't just an asset class. It's a diversification weapon, a way to balance, hedge, and unlock new market dimensions that traditional instruments can't offer. You're not here to marry a coin. You're here to trade smart. And smart trading means thinking across ecosystems, not inside a single box. Imagine this like Inception for traders. Remember Inception? Multiple dream layers happening at once? That's the modern trading environment. You're no longer just in the Euro, USD or GBP, JPY dream layer. You've got an entire crypto layer running in parallel, with its own volatility, momentum, and opportunity. The difference? When traditional markets sleep or slow down, crypto is still wide awake, screaming for attention. Why crypto remains a key diversification tool? Uncorrelated movement. Crypto often moves differently than fiat currencies. While USD pairs may be calm due to a central bank holding rate, BTC or ETH might be moving 6 to 8% off nothing but sentiment or macro anxiety. Volatility that creates opportunity. While volatility scares long-term investors, it's a gift to short-term traders. Crypto pairs move fast, break out cleanly, and often respect psychological levels even more than traditional charts. Global sentiment reflection. Crypto is the heartbeat of global financial emotion. When there's fear, BTC drops. When there's speculation, altcoins explode. If you can read this sentiment, you're not just diversifying, you're predicting human behavior. Weekend markets 24/7 income potential. Traditional currency pairs rest, crypto doesn't. If you're disciplined, the weekend crypto market becomes your personal extra trading session. Mass adoption is still unfinished business. We're not late, we're early. Real-world utility for crypto is still being built. And as that infrastructure grows, so does liquidity, volume, and legitimacy for traders who already understand the space. Meanwhile, folks, I've already closed 4 consecutive trades in the plus column. The robot doesn't let me down. This is a tool with which you will really start earning. Its signals have an average of 80% success rate. Look at the channel with reviews, how much people earn, the link in the description. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000 for one random comment. The terms are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, put a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I will choose 2 winners using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares knowledge about trading and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description. Subscribe. The contest is held every week. Real-world inspiration. Think like Elon. Elon Musk didn't invest in Bitcoin to follow the crowd. He did it because he saw the macro hedge value and future infrastructure potential. He didn't just buy a coin. He diversified Tesla's balance sheet. Now imagine doing that on your trading desk. Not abandoning fiat pairs, but blending in crypto as a second engine. That's how real traders hedge for opportunity. Pop culture punch. Crypto is the Tony Stark of markets. Traditional assets are like Captain America, strong, reliable, but maybe a little slow. Crypto? That's Tony Stark. Fast, bold, unpredictable, but brilliant when understood. And just like Tony, it doesn't always play by the rules. But it redefines the rules when it matters. What this means for you, the currency pair trader, you don't need to become a crypto fanatic. But you do need to understand this. If you're only trading EUR, USD, you're playing with half the board. Adding crypto pairs means you're playing the full game. You're giving yourself more volatility to capitalize on, more sessions to trade, more edges when fiat pairs are in consolidation, more diversity to protect your capital, tactical tips to start merging crypto into your strategy. Apply the same money management rules. Never risk more than 1 to 2%, even on volatile pairs. Treat crypto pairs like currencies. Use your existing pattern recognition and analysis. Start small. Integrate one crypto pair like BTC, USD or ETH, USD into your watchlist. Trade weekends intentionally. When fiat sleeps, let crypto work for you. Track results separately. This isn't about replacing currency trading, it's about complementing it. Alright, folks, I've finished the job. The robot did a filigree job and gave me a lot of accurate predictions, and the total profit for today is $10,057. Get FixProfit for free at the link in the description. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. I will be very happy with your likes and comments. See you soon. And remember, it's only going to get cooler from here.